For the past several weeks, I've been writing plot outlines every day. I've been writing around 3 to 5 plot outlines a day, and it has changed quite a bit between the first day and today. On the first day, I would do something like be very focused on the plot, as in the events that happened. But as time went on and as I created more and more plot outlines, I began to move away from those kind of plot heavy stories like this happened and this happened and this happened. And it was more about actually looking at the questions in the plot outline, which I will get to in a moment, and actually answering those questions rather than thinking, okay, what's the first scene, and then what's the second scene, and then what's the third scene. So those questions were actually from a film coverage video. You can look it up on YouTube. I can also put it in the description. So the questions were something like, who is it about? What do they need? How will they get it? What happens as a result of getting it? What are the setbacks? And then how does it end? No, actually, it should be how is it resolved, and then how does it end? Something like that. I probably have to rewatch that video again. But that's exactly my point. Like, these questions are in the plot outline. I don't even read the questions. I just think, because the plot outline also has the Dan Harmon's story circle. So it's also like you, need, go, find, take, return, change. So that's how I kind of remember it rather than the questions. So the day one plot would be the character is this, tall and impulsive, but likes to help people. What's the problem? What does he need? Fun and games. What happens in the middle part of the story, and then how is it resolved? How does it end? But now I write answering the questions rather than thinking about the series of events. My point is, I'm thinking more about everything that comes into the story, the tone and atmosphere, rather than just the event. That's called texture.